If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone, it's Louis Crypto here in my last Nakamoto games update. I think the title read, "Is Naka in a bull market?" Well, I can quickly answer that question for you guys. We're on the daily time frame. We're looking at the moving averages. You can see the white one, that is the 200 EMA. While you are above the 200 EMA, it doesn't matter if you dump to it, you don't have to dump exactly to it, but as long as we're holding above this, we're considering this bullish. And as this is the daily time frame, we are technically in a bullish uptrend, or otherwise known as a daily bullish bull market. We're not yet, I don't think, on the weekly time frame. Yeah, we actually are. So we've just had a bullish cross on the weekly time frame about a month ago now. September the 25th, so pretty much a month ago, we finally formed this bullish cross. So on a technicality, Nakamoto Games is in a bull market. So essentially, we should be expecting higher. In my last video update, we were suggesting that if we maintain below this purple box of resistance, we could be seeing some downward targets to about 47, 48, 53 cents. But also suggesting that this would be above the 200 EMA. So even if it did dump down to there, we'd still be in this daily bull market and weekly bull market. Let me now check on the weekly time frame where this actually lies. So it's in fact in that exact same area where we just suggested, 47, 48 and 53 cents. As long as we maintain above that, we are considering Nakamoto Games to be in a bull market. And we've just said that on the daily time frame by looking at the 200 EMA and using the Fibonacci's, but we've also now confirmed that on the weekly time frame where we've seen that weekly bullish cross, suggesting that Nakamoto Games over the coming weeks and months should be in a bull market unless those key levels are lost. So if we go ahead now and fail to break out over here, we do eventually come down to there and we eventually lose and flip into resistance, then it's negating this bull market. It's moving the trend. We'd be underneath the 200. As the 55 and the 20 on the weekly were in these areas, you'd be below them. So you'd no longer be in a weekly bull market either. So it's really important to hold above this 200 EMA sitting at 47 cents. However, if we do want to see this bullish continuation right now, and you don't want to come down to these levels, all Nakamoto Games needs to do is push above this 80 cent high, 79 cent high. And with that, we would have further targets to the upside, which we suggested in the last update of $1.15 and potentially $1.35. There's more things in line with the 115 area, but it's going to be a slow grind. It might happen instantly just because of Bitcoin's movements at the moment. Bitcoin needs to break its July high of 31.8k. Make sure if you haven't already to like, subscribe, comment and share. It is really appreciated and we're on the road to 7k as quickly as we can. So what we now need to see is after a break of this 79 cent high, if we do not want to see this downside to these targets, it will eventually go up anyway, because as long as we're above the 200 EMA, we consider this bullish. So even if we do dump, it's just a bullish dump to go up. But if we want to now just continue up into this bull market, in this bull market, need to see a break of this high, come back to its support, and then get up to those targets up there. That is it from me today. If you want to consider learning how to trade like me, listen to these clips right now about my education. There are multiple things in place. Cheers, guys. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates. So you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.